Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a video. If you hadn't guessed what kind of video I'm going to be doing, it kind of gives it away with the title down here. Yzma is here with me. Are you coming up? Or you want to come up? So we're just going to dive right into the items that I have ordered recently. So to start with, we're going to go and open my Restyle order. So to start with, we are going to... I'm so scared when she starts leaping across the room like that. So we're going to start off with a Restyle order. And I got this a while back. I believe I ordered this like at the beginning of the year. And it took ages with the post to come. So let's just open this up. So I ordered directly from Restyle, and they always individually wrap everything, so I'm just going to quickly take everything out of the wrappers. Ethan's having a great time with all these wrappers right now. Okay, so let's go straight right into this. So I ordered 2 t-shirts and a t-shirt style. Okay, so here is the first top. It is a spaghetti top, strap top, I guess. It is very, very pretty. It has the triple moon on it, which is a mesh. So you can see right through that, which is really cool, which is kind of the reason I kind of wanted these tops. So I went from a large because I do find that Restyle, you really have to be really careful with making sure you check all the descriptions and all the sizing for their products, because their sizing can be quite versatile, I think the word is. I did have 2 of these before. They were in a medium and they're a little bit tight, so I decided to size up for them, getting the new ones. So this is the first one. The second one I got was a pentagram one, so we have your little spaghetti straps, and again it's your mesh see-through kind of top. Really nice, really low cut under here, so I'm really looking forward to wearing these in the summer because they're going to be nice and, you know, chill and really cool to wear. So quite airy, I think the word is what I'm looking for. So yeah, and also these look quite long as well, which is quite nice. So they're going to come down and cover my midriff, which I'm all for. So yeah, and they look really fitted even though I've gone for the large. So yeah. The next item is like the tunic style kind of dress. Very similar with the mesh area that's going to be on here, if I can find it. Now this is like what they call a cold shoulder style. So here it is. Now I went for a size medium because it's a dress, and I felt that this kind of cut would be better off in a smaller size. So there you go, there is the crescent moon. I believe I've got the crescent moon in the vest. Again, you can see it's completely see-through area, lovely, like that. And it's got the nice baggy kind of style. So again, this is going to be so nice for in the summertime. I'm hopeful in Scotland we're going to have a nice summer. And I feel that this one you could like really dress this one up or make it really, really plain and casual. So that was the items I got from Restyle, and yeah, so I'm going to now go on to my next bag delivery thing. So the next order I'm going to show you is my Killstar order. I went ahead and got these as soon as they were released. I seen them and I was like, those are so me. So yeah, so let's dive right into this. Okay, so the first item we have now, only ordered 2 things from Killstar, which were 2 t-shirts. And I had like points to use, so I just used those and it helped get me a bit of a discount if you sign up with their membership thing. It's like a sign up for an account and you can get like points and stuff. So I got this awesome t-shirt. I'm absolutely in love with this. This is a beautiful witch style top. So basically it's a relaxed t-shirt and it's got this amazing artwork on it with this witchy girl, and it's like reminds me of like your tarot cards with the framing of this. So it's really nice. Very, very pretty. Very casual, but a little bit more interesting. I think actually this is a Killstar t-shirt I'm wearing just now. Oh, coincidence. So yeah, really like this. Really love the print. Loving all the details. Loving the little moths and her earrings. Occult stuff going on. It's all very me. I got this in a size small because it's a relaxed fit. Okay, so this is the next one. This is In Goth We Trust. And this one I got in a small as well. It's another relaxed kind of top. I adore this print. This is awesome. This is so me. I love how it actually looks like she's wearing Killstar, the Killstar harness. I have that harness. That is awesome. I love how she has the Book of Spells as well. So I am totally living for this t-shirt as well. It's so nice. I always find that their t-shirts are so nice, and also like when I put them in the wash, I've not had any fading on any of them, which is amazing because black can fade. And that's when blacks don't match, and that can be really irritating. So I am really pleased with these gorgeous t-shirts. They are very nice. These ones are quite light feeling to them. So yeah, I just hope that they won't go out of shape too quickly. I don't think they will, but they're really, really nice. These are so awesome. I do have to say what I do love about the relaxed t-shirts from Killstar is they're really long, and I really love that because they like can cover your bottom, which is really nice. And it also, they're just like so chill and so nice to wear. So yeah, right, so let's get on to the next parcel. Okay, so the next order I have is from EMP, and I got a couple of bits and bobs from there, so let's have a quick look and see. Okay, so Isma now has that box, so that will keep her busy for the next wee while. Okay, so I got 3 things from EMP, and one of them is a RED by EMP jumper. It's like a fishnet kind of style jumper, so I'll just show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's the jumper. It's like a really chunky knit. I actually thought this was going to be a lot thinner. Like I thought I could maybe just get away with wearing it as a t-shirt. But I went for a size large because I read the reviews and they said it was kind of tight fitting. So this is it. Very see-through. Very cool. And very thick actually. Yeah, I really like this jumper. It's really nice, really, really thick and warm. It is a little baggy on the sleeves, but I totally don't mind that. And it is really long as well, so it covers way past my bottom, which, again, I'm totally for that. And it's just a really nice jumper. I'm really pleased with this, and I also got this in the sale, which is even better. Okay, next up we have these. Now, I know I just did a video recently of my glow-in-the-dark sunglasses, because they're awesome. Just a quick update, by the way, I went to bed and I actually hang my sunglasses like near my bed, and they're on like a string, or chain should I say, and I turned all the lights off and you could see the glow-in-the-dark really, really clear, so I was really happy with that. So anyway, I've ordered these sunglasses. I actually just came across them just by chance. So let's have a look. Wow, these are so freaking cool. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, first off, look at the legs on this. Look at the detail. So we've got like roses and skulls. Hi Leo, if you come to join me too. It's like a cats are hanging out in this room today. So that is amazing. And then obviously here, oh look, there's my camera. We've got the skulls here. These are so nice. I love this kind of big cat's eye thing going on here. I am really liking these. These are so cool. They're amazing. So I'm just gonna like see if they fit, because this is the thing. Will they fit? Let's see if they can slide. Oh yes. These are amazing. They fit really nice on like the bridge of my nose, because sometimes I find that sunglasses tend to fall down. Oh, I'm going to be wearing these a lot. I'm absolutely living for these. These are awesome. I absolutely love them. They're so cool. I cannot wait to start wearing these when the spring and summer finally come. And the last item I picked up were these Black Heart claw earrings. I'm just going to take these out of the packaging. So I seen these on the website, and I kind of seen them a couple of times before, and I was eyeing them up and I thought they were really cute. I managed to get those for about, was it like £5 or £6? So they are really, really cute. They are your butterfly backs style. So they like actually like claw around your ears, so they look really, really cute. And I thought I would give them a try. I'm not normally somebody that wears a lot of earrings, but I have been buying quite a few pairs of earrings recently, so I thought why not we try these and see how we get on with them. So yeah, quite excited to play around with these. I think they'd be really cute. So guys, that was everything that I've recently been ordering. Some of those were from like really at the start of January. It's just I never actually got around to unboxing them. I hope you liked the video. I don't know if this is the kind of video you guys want to see, or if you want to see more of them, but do let me know in the comments which item that you thought was the best, which piece that you would like to buy, and please give me a like, thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe so you know when I have my videos up. I try and at least get one video up a week, and yeah, so till next time guys, I'll catch you later.